Hi, welcome to challenge number 4. Find the total number of triangles in figure shown. Identify the triangles in the figure, ignoring the top vertex point. You must have observed that there is no triangle in the given figure without the top vertex point. Hence, top vertex point must be one of the points for any triangle. As we know, for any triangle, 3 points are required. And here, top vertex will be one of the points for any triangle that we can see in the figure. Well, we have 5 levels in the figure. We will name them as 1, this has level 2, this has level 3, level 4, and level 5. Now we will see how many triangles could be formed at one of the levels, and the same will follow for the rest of the levels. Let us consider level 1. As we saw, this top vertex point is one of the points for the triangle. We need to select 2 other points from the 5 points as highlighted. In how many ways we can select 2 points out of these 5 points? That could be done in 5C 2 ways, that is equal to 10 ways. So in total, we have 10 triangles at level 1. Try to identify these 10 triangles in the figure to get better understanding. Now because level 1 has 10 triangles, and the same thing follows for level 2, 3, 4 and 5, in total, we have 10 into 5, that is 50 triangles. So in the figure shown, we have in total 50 triangles.